Elynyd Benjamin builds furniture and is a carpenter, but it was her wall art hangings with lots of color and patterns that drew me to her work. Benjamin's furniture, from boxes to tables to cabinets, includes a mix of geometry and flowing curves. This cabinet, built to house craft supplies, has a lot of visual movement from top to bottom and includes some texture on the door panels. Although Elynyd has created many beautiful pieces of furniture, it's her wood wall hangings and functional art pieces that are quite unique. She uses parquetry techniques in these pieces and generally starts off with a fairly complete design, then cuts the numerous parts to complete each piece. Color, geometry, and simple grain play large roles in her work. Here are some of the functional pieces she's completed, still using the same geometric parquetry approach, along with a few other projects she's completed over the years. Elynyd's studio is a small space, but it allows her to work on her wall art pieces, furniture, and some carpentry tasks until she gets to the job site. When Elynyd isn't building, she's probably outside mountain biking or teaching her dog a new trick.